I can see a lot of you joining in. I can see Jia, Ariman, Ethan Adarsh, Amrita, Navika, Smriti, Rohan. A lot of you are already in the game. Here we go with the Junior Family Quiz, the 101st edition. 3, 2, 1, and here it is. Which European country, known for its tulip fields, is the largest exporter of flowers in the world? Which country is it? And that is a beautiful picture from that country.
I think the answer is Netherlands
Okay.
because I heard it somewhere, and also I read it in a book. So I think it's Netherlands.
Okay, Ritu thinks it is Netherlands, and with that, let's take a look. And yes, Ritu, you are absolutely right. It is Netherlands indeed. We are going to pose like we're smelling a flower, just like this gif here. So we act like we pluck a flower and then we smell it. Can we do that, everybody? Yes? I can see some of you already trying it out. Alright, let me stop sharing my screen. I would request all of you to turn on your videos if you haven't yet, and if it is possible, we are going to pose together and click a really fun picture together. Yes? Alright, a lot of you have turned on your videos. So we all know what we are going to do, right? We pluck a flower first. Can we all pluck a flower? Amazing. And then what do? We smell it. Yes, beautiful. Everybody is doing so good. Let's take a picture. Can you all smile while smelling the flower? Because this flower smells really fragrant. Yes, absolutely. I can see a lot of you posing with your parents, reminding you all that it is the International Family Day today. So requesting all of you to bring in your family if they're around you, if they're being camera shy, and pose with them, right? Okay, amazing. I can see Swastika and her family on screen. Great. I can see Abhya with her mom. Yes. A lot of you are posing with your families. Beautiful, beautiful smiles. Thank you, everybody. I've taken enough pictures. Cyclone Asani, that's causing rains in Bengaluru, was named by which country facing an economic crisis? Right? So again, this country has 2 words with 3 and 5 letters each. So take a guess.
I think the answer is Sri Lanka.
Okay, Shali thinks the answer is Sri Lanka. And why do you think it's Sri Lanka?
Because it's facing the economic crisis, and India's in one of the Qshala videos only I saw that, and India is going to send rice to Sri Lanka to help it recover the economic crisis. So I guess that's the answer.
Absolutely, Shali. That was a beautiful answer given by you right there. Yes, the answer is Sri Lanka.
I think the answer is Japan.
You think the answer is Japan, and why do you think it's Japan, Alisha?
I taken a guess on it.
You took a guess. All right, let's take a look. And Alisha, your guess was absolutely right. It is Japan indeed.
My father they work for once. Then if I play, then he will come and scare me.
Oh,
Come and scare me. Then I went to Kashmir, and it was beautiful.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
thank you, Alia. That's
Thank you.
so cute.
Thank
And
you.
yes, looks like you went to Kashmir and had a lot of fun, and your dad scared you, so you were a little upset with that. But yes, thank you so much for sharing that experience with us. So Andrew Simons donated his iconic dreadlocks to help children diagnosed with which of the following? Is it leukemia? Is it tuberculosis? Is it pneumonia? Or is it typhoid? Take a guess. Look at all the clues highlighted in the question here. What do you think is the correct answer? And yes, 26 of you getting it absolutely right. It is leukemia. Yes, so Dhanush Shrikant hit a bull's eye to win the gold medal at the Deaf Olympics. Which sport did he represent India in? Shooting? Is it weightlifting? Is it archery? Or is it boxing? Take a look at all the clues that we have highlighted in the question for you. Dhanush Shrikant has won the gold medal for India at the Deaf Olympics for which sport? And And yes, shooting it is. Looks like it was a little bit of a googly between archery and shooting.
Bow monkeys were swinging from bow trees.
Amazing. That is great. Thank you so much for that, Pratna. You were amazing. In the third place, we have Rahul Acharya. In the second place, we have Shlok Venkatraman. And who do we have in the first place? We have Anumekha Datta. Congratulations. In the fourth and fifth place, we have Ethan Adarsh and Shruti Kaushik. Good job, everybody. Big congratulations. And with that, yes. Okay, everybody looks super excited to know the lucky draw winner. And the lucky draw winner of today's quiz is Dhyana Sudesh. Dhyana Sudesh is the lucky draw winner of today's quiz. Unmuting you, Dhyana.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Dhyana. How does it feel that you won the lucky draw prize today?
I'm so happy.
Are you happy? You're going to get a Groot pot for your succulents that you can grow your plants in. Isn't that amazing?
Thank you.
Thank you, Dhyana. All right, so I think with that we have come to an end